In today's tech tip, we're going to show you how to use the probe to manually measure a feature in the machine that you may not be able to easily get at manually. So this will work with the Graphical User Interface, NDI input programs, and also with the 8025. And the biggest thing there is we're going to use the normal probing cycles on the Makino DA300. We're just going to add in turning on the optional stop and knowing where to go so we can capture that size. So right now we have the probe in the spindle. We're going to use it to find this bore in the center. For this cycle, we're using a bore cycle, and we're going to use the Graphical User Interface. So we're going to place our probe in the hole. We're going to turn our input mode on, go to our probing. We're going to do a bore. We're going to put our rough size in there. We're going to hit go. We're going to make sure our op stop is turned on. Okay, so with op stop on and our operation mode 3 on, we can do this with the door open. We're going to just run through the cycle, and you're going to notice that it's going to stop. It's not going to tell you why it stopped. It's just, well, maybe you guys have run into this too if you're doing a probing cycle and it's stopped in the middle and you haven't gotten values before. But this is usually the problem. People leave the op stop on, but it's there for a reason. All right, so we're in a waiting. Now, where do we go to find this information? So we're going to hit the top right arrow here. We're going to go to our macro variables, okay? And if we look this up in the Renishaw books, they will show you what all these inputs have. Pound 138 local variable is the actual size of that feature, okay? So at this point, if we were just interested in that size, we can reset out and none of our values are captured. If we wanted to move forward, we can hit cycle start again, and you're going to see our values for the center of that hole pop up. At this point, we can input them, knowing that is our new work offset, or adding that to our work offset that's active. If we just wanted the size, we can hit cancel, and we're good. So just so you know, that works for any of the cycles. So if you look in your Renishaw book, it will show you all the cycles that the pound 138 local variable will capture a size for. That would be webs, pockets, bores, bosses. Okay? That was Makino's tech tip for today. That was using your probe to find the measurement of a feature in the machine.